Hello and welcome to another episode of Techfanaticofficial, your honest guide to the Cryptoverse. Today I'm going to talk about Metahorse, which is a unified token for a vibrant gaming ecosystem that's been developed by Hungrigames, and the former directors from Garena Free and bigger games like Game of Thrones are involved with the project. It's a horse catching real player RPG sort of game, and it's one of the world's first mobile horse racing RPGs. Now, what makes the project unique itself is its technology. So it has a hybrid genre of focus in terms of storyline, in terms of the outcome of the racing. It has advanced mechanic. It has a free-to-play element. It has NFT and Web3 integrations. It has a lot of community involvement. And if you compare it to other Web3 projects like Pegasy or Horse Racing Rollstars, it has both Web2 and Web3 users. It has incentives of free-to-play, play-to-earn technologies, ETH and multi-chain. DeFi has staking and lending, whereas the other projects don't have. It has esports features, it has PvE and PvP, and the strategy is quite difficult. So that's one of the key selling points of the Metahorse Unity project, especially if people are into the racing games. And remember, the studio as well, Hungrigames, is part of the Sandbox studio as well. So you can sort of play it. Now, if you go to their website, also you can learn more about the NFT model, about the game model, and further detail if you're interested in terms of the uh, sort of playing mode that they have. Now, jumping into the token utility and tokenomics, which is the next section, uh, the revenue streams, first thing is the race rewards, ranking rewards, NFT sales, and rental of NFTs, which are the horse NFTs, staking and airdrop, and also transactions. The token itself, in terms of earning, you can earn Munity token as game rewards in Battle Pass, campaigns, esport tournaments, grand prize, or from breeding, renting, selling, and NFT staking basically. Now, so that's just pretty much what the use case is. Um, Now, they also have the technology behind how the token burning will happen, but we're not going to deep dive through that. It's quite a long discussion. Now, token metrics of, as I said, NFT Horse and Evolve, convert Munity games, soft currency, secondary marketing fees, and buying and renting NFTs. Now, I would like to find the detailed breakdown if I could. So, in terms of fully diluted value, 25 million USD is the fully diluted valuation at public round, and 5 cents is the token price. The token itself is 15% unlock on TG, 1 month of cliff, and 20.25% of vesting every month for the public round. Initial market cap is 615,000, and token supply in total is half a billion, so 500 million, and the token is ERC20. Of course, if you're interested in deeper dive, which I usually do, you can always go to the tokenomics here and always learn more about the total tokenomics in greater detail. I was just covering the public round more so, but yeah, they have over here the detailed tokenomics. I'm not gonna go through it because it's quite a long discussion. Now, in terms of roadmap, phase one, first quarter, they did the IDO launch, token listing. Phase two, they are doing the beta of the other game, Student Garden, and the showcase. Phase three is the marketplace for Unity and App Store listing, and then phase four is to have 500,000 downloads. So that's the sort of strategy that they have developed. In terms of the team, founders, and investors, they've got Kiran Arslan, who's the founder, Kagan Khan, who's also the founder, and then a few other people who are involved as founders and C-level executives. They are also involved with Sandbox, so that's the involvement that they have. In terms of Launchpad partners, they got Downmaker, Poolz, Spartadex, and Finceptor. IDO already done all these platforms, so already done. Investors, they got Bogazi Ventures, Triple Dragon, uh, Sebastian Borget, Archon, Presto Labs. And then partners, they got AWS, Magic Square, Sandbox, Yuzu Games, Polygon, Animoca, Super Oracle, Magic Eden, Phenomenon, and One Planet as partners for the ecosystem. And that's some of the gameplay that you can see. Now, in terms of the go-to-market strategy, they want to do cross-promotion through existing games, launch of campaign, alpha game, major sporting events, and also focusing on localized regional areas. In terms of socials, they've got 43,000 followers, and as you can see, they have quite a active socials, and they post quite regularly in terms of the items they've got, and that's pretty positive for a gaming project. And also they have demos of the gameplay, so people are aware of what's coming, and they have campaigns with CoinGecko, Zilli, and other places. In terms of the other channels as well, they've got decently active Telegram group. Telegram is becoming a bit less active in many projects nowadays for some reason. People care about more Twitter, and Discord, which is important, also quite active. Launchpads are already done, so I'm not going to do a review of Launchpads, but in terms of listing, they will be listed at gate.io, which I've just showed the website as well. So they have a Gate startup happening. Let me see if I can find the latest post. Yeah, which is happening right now, from now till February 27th, in a couple of days. Airdrop value of $30,000. You can join, and they give you an initial free offering for Munity or Metahorse token. Now, you can share how much value you want to be participating into it. And 27th at 10 a.m. UTC will be the listing for the token. So, horsing is always a popular sort of narrative because it combines the GameFi as well as GambleFi as well as the racing together. Projects like Pegasus and D-Race, which the Maker did before in 2021, did fantastically well. So I think this one could also, do pretty well in that sense. I can't give you financial advice. Do your own research, of course, but it is an interesting narrative. Now, I hope you enjoyed your video. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about the project, let me know, and I'll get in touch with the project and get back to you. Have a good rest of the weekend and enjoy your day. Goodbye.